A client come in earlier. I'm gonna say his name was John. He's an attorney. He makes good money, but he can't move forward in life. I'm gonna tell you what's going on. He had a major error in his report. We're going to work on it. It's showing he owes $400,000 on student loans, but he said he only owed $100,000. We're going to look to getting this debt off of his reports altogether. He has a partner. They've been in business for, I guess, 5, 6, 7 years, whatever. But everything in his law firm right now is having to do under his partner's name. And so, you know how frustrating it is to have money, but you can't put nothing in your name. We're going to help him restore his credit so he can start putting business in his own name. That's one thing he's wanting. Also, he's wanting to get a new car. I started talking to him, and he's like, well, how much longer is this going to take? And he's bringing in updates to drop them off. Those updates are a month old. I can say that's one major thing I see consumers do is when they work with us, they don't bring their updates in as soon as they get them. We have to work from those updates. Another thing too is I said, have you got a secure credit card to start building your credit? And he said, well, I tried to get 2 of them and I got turned down. And I said, who'd you go with? He said, one was Capital One. And I said, why'd you go Capital One? He's like, well, that's who I bank with. And I said, is that the card that we told you to use? And he said, I don't know. And I said, did you get an email? And he said, yeah, I got an email, but I didn't try those credit cards. Well, in the email, we would have told him the cards that he could have got approved for. And the cards are starter cards. So they're going to be like either like a $250 or a $200, limit. And I said, that's what it's going to be. He said, can I just put $10,000 on the card and have a $10,000 limit? And I said, that's one thing you can't buy is credit. Think about this. The guy makes tons of money. He could put down $10,000 to build on his credit card, but he is unable to. A few major mistakes is he wasn't sending his updates in fast enough, so that's stalling the process. Number 2 is he tried to get 2 credit cards, and that has caused 2 more inquiries. Inquiries can drop your credit score. So it's real important when you get started in our program that you follow exactly the instructions we tell you. Get the credit cards we tell you to, because you're going to get approved and it's going to start working for you a lot faster. That's just something we're helping people with. If you have any comments, leave them below and we'll answer them in the future videos. Have a great day.